Hi everyone, this is Isra Naur and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the very first video in our series, Stock Market Made Easy. If you have ever felt like the stock market is confusing or just plain scary, don't worry. That's exactly why I started this series, to simplify the world of the stock market and make it accessible for everyone. So let's get started. Imagine you're starting a coffee shop. It does so well that you want to open 100 more coffee shops. But where does the money come from? You ask your friends to invest. They give you money and in return, get a piece of your business. That's the stock market, but on a huge scale. In simple terms, the stock market is a place where companies raise money by selling pieces of their businesses called shares to people like you and me. When you buy a share, you own a tiny part of that company. Here's how it works. Companies list their shares on a stock exchange. So what is a stock exchange? It is like a huge online mall, but for stocks. People like you and me buy and sell these shares. If the company does well, the share price goes up and you can sell it for more money. If it doesn't, the price goes down. Simple. But why do prices go up and down? It's all about supply and demand. If everyone wants a share, the price shoots up. If nobody wants it, the price falls. Think of it like bidding for a concert ticket. More demand, higher the price. Major stock exchanges. Now let's talk about the major stock exchanges. NSE, National Stock Exchange. This is the pride of India. It has something called the Nifty Index, which is like a scoreboard showing the performance of the top 50 companies listed on it. So when you hear Nifty is up, it means that these top companies are doing well overall. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. This is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It has a Sensex Index, which is another scoreboard, but for top 30 companies in India. Think of Nifty and Sensex like report cards showing how well the biggest companies are doing in the stock market. NASDAQ, the hub for tech giants like Apple and Google. It's based in the US and focuses heavily on technology stocks. NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, the world's largest stock exchange. It's where companies like Coca-Cola and Disney trade their shares. So whether it's NSE in India or NYSE in US, these exchanges make buying and selling shares smooth and secure. Here's why the stock market is exciting. Your money works for you. Imagine you buy a share for $10 and a year later it's worth $20. That's a 100% return without even lifting a finger. The earlier you start, the bigger your tree of wealth grows. Remember a coffee shop? Now think of your favorite companies. They all started small but grew big because people believed in them and invested. By investing wisely, you're not just making money, you're helping businesses grow. So whether it's investing in the NSE, BSE, NASDAQ or NYSE, the stock market is your ticket to financial freedom. And it all starts with understanding the basics like you just did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and comment below with your biggest takeaway. Let's make learning fun and investing easy. See you in the next one.